and to bring mercenaries from all over the world. We tell you from the depths of our hearts, we will build a homeland despite, even if Judgment Day comes, and we'll come and gather our scattered people. Oh, we sacrificed our lives for the resistance. We freed the world from the darkness of the night, and history is being written now. Let the deaf hear the voice of freedom, and let the blind see the light of the sun. Let the fingers of victory rise from west to east. Oh, mother, do not cry. Oh, mother, be proud. The bombing is from them, the stones are from us. Death is from them, and life is from us. Allahu Akbar them, and resistance is our life. The seeds of falsehood do not sprout on truth. With the fire of our mother's hearts, we will drive them out, their bullets cannot pierce the chests of the brave. Your souls will perish, but ours will remain. Not once, not twice, not three times. As long as there is a battle, we will not leave our homeland. You will become dust, and we will remain.
Her bici Kurdistan, her bici yakbuna Kurd.